conception clowns. They think women can't simply remove a pea-sized embryo from her own body. And no, it is not a baby, just like a seed is not a tree. They call themselves pro-life, but they're not even for universal health care. But make child-free who don't overpopulate pay for them. Claim to be pro-life, but abuse sentient beings every day. Government-funded factory farms. They don't even adopt, despite being free and easy. They even sabotage their own cause. Free birth control saves taxes and lowers termination rates. Free birth control saves. Use my taxes. Only endangered species embryos matter, like the ones